Paint a plain wall. Like this.
When you feel the world is over.
And this.
When you say you're feeling lonely.
At first, collect some texture design from Google or Pixabay. I will provide some textures design in this video's description box. At first, open any texture, and open also wall image on Photoshop. Press Ctrl+A for select the texture. Then press Ctrl+C for copy the texture. Pick a new layer. Select those area where you want to place the design. Now press Ctrl+V for paste here the texture design. Press Ctrl+T to active transform, then reposition it. Pick Pen tool. Then select the part where you want to delete the layer from the unexpected place. Now press Delete key on keyboard for delete the selected area. Press Ctrl+D for remove selection. Done. See? That looks so awesome now.